you know, 5-1, he has a lot of banana as well. Because some of my banana is already connected to you, Maria. So, connect to 5-1 and visit 5-1 because he has a lot of banana. He will give you banana. Unfiltered, yes, I know the puss, but not intelligent. I saw that name on your live yesterday. It was weird. The puss come back today. Yes, Mrs. Yes, my dear Fluffy. That's why. A lot good. Oo. 5-1 has a lot of banana. So, you will not regret subscribing to 5-1 as well. So, connect to 5-1, guys. Pero si Betty, andyan yung main channel niya, di ba? Yan yun. Ayan, honey bun, charang. Tamsak dikit. Kasi kahapon andun yan siya sa'yo. So, yes, cha, he has a lot. I see Edward in my live yesterday. Fluffy. Oh, that's good. I told you, right? Ah, iba. No, I only know Pussycat. I only know Pussycat. And I only know Pussy. Cat. So, Sadia, do that, okay? Especially when you go into the monetized channel, do the one that I teach you. Twinkle, twinkle, little. How I... okay, gets. Oh, okay. That name I didn't mention as well. Okay. I get it now. Who is that? Now I know. Anyways, Sadia, I teach you how to get an ads on the live, especially in the one in the monetize. So when you go to Bet Kitchen, when you go to Savis Hot Kitchen, to 5-1, if you not get an ads, do what I said, do what I teach you, like, and then go to your like videos, and then there you are, you can check the link, you can click the link, and you get an ads, okay, Sadia? I guess I know now. So anyways, I need to go sa go, guys. I need to go, but you are 16 here. I need to go, guys, so I will watch a video. Mag-watch ako ha, sis Jenny, sis Sil, sis Gold, sis Betty, Anak Kampong, Tony Mix, Solarian, My Mix, Charles, Snorkeling, at sis Helen ang andito, nakalista. Pero yung mga andyan kasi, mga na-watch ko na sila. So, mag-start ako watch kay Marvelous. Birthday Tour Isle of Wight. Ayan, watching this one, Marvelous. Watching this one. Okay, guys, but I think I need to go sa go na. I think I need to end my live for now, guys. So, thank you so much for coming. Ayan, Edski Tours. Done connect sa'yo dito. So, ayan. I'm singing Beth. Oh, I guess I know now who is So guys, I need to go. Bye-bye. Ayan. So sa lahat ng dumaan, nagtambay at nagtamsak, maraming salamat sa inyo. Saan man kayo naroon, mag-ingat po kayo as always. Keep safe everyone and God bless. Whatever problems you're having in your life, ang importante, buhi. Bye-bye. I love you guys. Paalam. Oh, so, who will do live? Who will do live, guys? Intelligent. I guess I know who you are now. I know now. I don't know if it's right as well. Tama ba yun si Betty? Siya yun? Bye guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Paalam mga langga.